Hey guys, I returned back with another video, and this video I've come to show you the changes we are going to make in the coming ShrikeLinux, and there are just few, not much, and also for that I would like some of people who are using ShrikeLinux to tell me if they will accept for these changes to go on. Alright, on the bar it's going to be like this, the bar for ShrikeLinux, and even here I've chosen this setup in the bar. Here we have Octopi, there we have Octopi. Here there is nothing changing, it will be like this. So here there is Octopi, and there is a clipboard manager, it's there. So this one helps you, let me see if I can get something to copy. Let me show you how it works. Let me copy this one. To copy it, you come here, history, it shows you what you have copied. So it's like that, and also you can close it if you don't want to use it. If you want to use it, you click the clipboard, it's open right now. You copy something like this, keep it, it keeps storing in the clipboard, so it's easy to use, and it's good to use it. Alright, the next thing we have is here we have Bluetooth. It won't open because I'm using my desktop and I don't have a Bluetooth adapter. And here we have themes. I think it's called XFCE appearance, I think so, I'm not so sure. So it's there. It will be easy for some people to change their theme. It will be so easy for them to change their theme here. And here we have the volume is there, and let me first remove this one, and we have our connection there. As I'm using desktop, it's showing Ethernet, but if you'll be using Wi-Fi, it will show a Wi-Fi logo or icon. Here there is time, and then there is a app finder here. So another thing is this one, this bar down here, I want to change it to remove this bar here. In fact, it is the only thing I would like to remove. We won't be with the workspaces, and also if there are some people who really likes workspaces, then feel free to tell me. I'll leave them for you. I'll put them somewhere, maybe here. And these is it action buttons? I think so. They will not be here also. So the plank, I'm planning to put plank down here. Let's say it will be bottom, it will be here, this plank, and then these ones will be removed. So you ask yourself, like, if I want to log out, what will I do? So you can simply place a Control Alt and a Delete key to log out, or else you use is it called XFC? I mean desktop. What I forgotten. You come here, then you log out here, like that. You click on desktop, then you go to log out. I think that will do. For workspaces, let's say I've opened this one, and I have this one too, and let me see, let's see, we have Firefox, because it will cover the whole screen. So how you ask yourself, how will I navigate through my windows? You just press Alt Tab like this, or you can press Alt Tab, then you move your mouse like this. Let me see, it doesn't, you click somewhere, yeah, like that. In fact, you press Alt Tab and then you release the tab button, then you navigate using your mouse. Just you move the cursor like this, and that is what you do, or else you select it while the finger on the tab is not placing the tab. You just press Alt Tab, then you move the finger on the tab, and then you navigate through what you want to use. Alright, so let's go on. And then also another thing I wanted to show you is that we're going to use some of key bindings if you'd like to use them. And I've put Thuna on Alt F, I mean Thuna, yeah, on Alt E, that is Thuna. Upfinder Alt F, and the XFCE terminal Alt A, then system settings, XFCE system settings, it is Alt S, like that. And then browser, this is Firefox, Alt B, that is it. And also to close, you use Alt X, like that. Let's say you have opened that one, Alt X, I remove that one. So those are the changes. And also I would like to know if there are some people who wish to use this bar down here. The only thing down here, what you will remove, I mean what we will include it here, will be key updates, this button. If I'm to remove that one, I have if I'm to remove this bar, I will have to put it here, up here. So that is it. But I'm making this video right now because we still have time for another release of ShrikeLinux. So I think before I release the other one next month in January, I'll have some feedback. Yeah, that's why I'm making this video right now, so that we have time to talk and to tell me if you welcome the changes which I'm to take on, which I'm to introduce in ShrikeLinux. Alright, that is it, because I want a clean desktop. Let me show you. And there. For me, I see that the desktop is used like everywhere there is something. So that's why I want to remove this one down, to put this one on bottom. And that is the reason why I want it to be minimal without this one here. Also, that will depend on what you tell me, but I think this one will be okay. Yeah, according to me, as I told you that I was using ShrikeLinux before, like I think three years I was using ShrikeLinux before I gave it to community to use it. So ShrikeLinux wasn't looking like this. All these changes I'm making, or I'm putting in ShrikeLinux, are the changes I think they are good for other people. And also some of requested things, because remember the first ShrikeLinux we were using Basilisk browser, LibreWolf. We didn't by then Firefox wasn't installed by default, so that means for me, as I was using Basilisk browser and LibreWolf. But when things changed, I decided to shift from how I was using ShrikeLinux to make it for everyone, not just for me. Though it was a project which I started, and the reason why I started this project is that before I was using Arch Wraps, was my favorite distribution, but when it was stopped, developed, then I decided to put much effort in my ShrikeLinux, because by then ShrikeLinux was there, but it wasn't like that the distro which you can use. A lot of things were missing, and another thing is I was busy, so I couldn't put much effort in it, so I had to run Archlabs. So I was using Archlabs for that long until it was phased out. I decided to put effort in my ShrikeLinux. That's why right now we have ShrikeLinux. Also, we are still having a Casa installer. Before, I tried to include Caramoris on ShrikeLinux, but things didn't go well as I expected, so I decided to drop it every time. And also I was busy, I was doing other things, but every time I tried to run Caramoris on ShrikeLinux. It used to tell me that there are some errors which I got at the, I think, mk init pic, I think so, pioc, I don't, cpio, yeah. And another thing was user at user. So I fixed that one, but again there were 3 errors which were disturbing me, and another one was a storage thing. But storage, it wasn't that bad because it was just demanding me to add 4 GB, but I had to go around it. The only thing I got was a bootloader, that mk cpu, mkint cpio, and yeah, the bootloader and that one were the one disturbed me a lot. And also I was so busy by then, so I decided to drop Caramoris thing. I'm still planning what I will use. I'm just still planning to get something good which I will use on ShrikeLinux, which will be fit for every person. Because right now the Casa installer we are using, there are some people who are not interested, like who thinks that ShrikeLinux installer is so difficult to run. But as I told you, installing ShrikeLinux, you just need 5 minutes. 5 minutes. The delay is just there, a delay in the time you take clicking, putting username, selecting things. That is the only delay. But if you have speed, even within between 4 and 7 minutes, ShrikeLinux will be done, installed. I think those who, because I saw on my SourceForge, there are a lot of people who have decided to use ShrikeLinux. I think if I count the downloads, I think we are in 500 plus. Those people who have downloaded ShrikeLinux from the start when I started posting it. Though on my channel, on my YouTube channel, you are seeing I don't have views and I don't have subscribers, but hey, people are using ShrikeLinux, and I'm glad there are some people who have decided to run ShrikeLinux. Yeah, I didn't start the YouTube for views, though any person wants views and subscription, but I just wanted ShrikeLinux to be to get people to run ShrikeLinux, as a friend of mine told me I should share with the world, and then I should put much effort if I'm free to do it. So that is the reason why I had to create the YouTube channel. Alright, thank you so much for watching and listening to me. Have good times wherever you are. Bye.